Today I'm going to solve question number 4 and 5, which is very important for examination 2. So you all are welcome on my YouTube channel, Mind Your Choices. Here you will get different type of mathematics question, puzzles, riddles and textbook solution all related with mathematics, which help you to improve, boost your mind. So let's start number 4 and 5. You can see question number 4. Find the area of shaded region. We have to find out the area of shaded region. If x is equal to 3, here the value of x is equal to 3 is given. What will be the actual area? We have to find out area of shaded region. Diagram is given. The value of x is 3. First of all, let's draw the diagram. Question number 4. We have to find out the value of shaded region, the area of shaded region. Okay, this one is 10 centimeter, this one is 10 centimeter. Both side 10 centimeter means this diagram is square. Outer part is a square. Why? Because length also 10 centimeter, breadth also 10 centimeter. Both side 10 centimeter means this outer part is a square. Now you can see that. What about inner part? Inner part, here also x, here also x, means length also x, breadth also x. Here also length and breadth both are equal. It means inner part, non-shaded part, this part is known as non-shaded part, which is not shaded, is also square. Why? Because both length and breadth both are equal. So first of all we have to find out area of outer part. Area of outer part, keep A1 and the formula is L square. Area of square means L square. Length is how much given here? 10 for outer, 10. So 10 whole square. 10 square means 100. Centimeter is here, so we have to write centimeter square because area always in the form of centimeter square. Similarly, area of inner we have to find out. Area of inner square, area of inner, a part or square, you can write anything, part A2, and the formula also same, L square, because this is square and the formula of square, area of square, formula L square. What is the value of length here? Length x, so x square. Now you can see that in the question the value of x is given here 3, so in the place of x write down 3 square. 3 square means 9 centimeter square. We get area of inner part. Now we have to find out actual area of shaded region. So we have to write here area of shaded region. Area of shaded region A is equal to A1 minus A2. Area of outer part minus subtract area of non-shaded. From total, when you subtract this inner one non-shaded, we get shaded one. From total area, when you subtract area of non-shaded, we get area of shaded. So here A1 is equal to 100 minus A2 is equal to 9, and when you subtract we get 91 centimeter square. So the actual area of this shaded region is equal to 91 centimeter square. Hope you understand this question. Now question number 5. First of all, try to understand the question properly. Look at here, we have the area of circle pi r square. Area of circle formula is pi r square, where pi value is 22 by 7. You can write 3.14 also, and radius is equal to r is equal to radius of the circle. Now from the given figure number A, find the area of shaded region. We have to find out area of this shaded region. Shaded means this one is shaded, middle one. We have to find out area of shaded region. After that, if r is equal to 12, capital R is equal to 12 and small r is equal to 4 centimeter, capital R, small r, calculate the actual area. So area of circle is equal to, already given in, pi r square, and the pi value is 22 by 7. So same like question number 4, area of outer we have to find out. area of outer circle A1. What is the formula? Area of circle already given in the question here, pi r square. But one thing, for outer circle, outer, look at outer circle, what is the radius? Capital R. So we can write pi r square. Pi means 22/7, and what is the value of capital R here? 12. So we have to write here 12 square. Now we have to calculate this. So answer is here 452.57 centimeter square. Now we have to find out area of non-shaded, this one, inside one, which is not shaded, white color one. Area of inner, area of inner circle. Suppose this one is A2, and the same formula, pi r square. Here we have to use a small r because the radius of inner one is r, small r. Pi means 22/7. The value is already given. Pi is equal to 22/7, and value of small r is equal to 4. So here we have to write 4 square. Now we have to calculate this. 22 into 4 into 4 divided by 7, we get 50.28 centimeter square. This. Now we have to find out area of shaded. Now area of shaded part A is equal to A1 minus A2. A1 is equal to, what is here? 452.57 minus A2, value of A2 50.28. When you subtract this, we get 452.57 minus 50.28. We get 402.29 centimeter square. Look at properly. Try to understand. If you have any confusion, you can comment. To find out area of shaded region, first of all we have to find out area of outer and area of inner, then both we have to subtract. From outer we have to subtract inner area, we get area of shaded region. Okay, this one from exercise 1b. After this you will get 1c. Thanks for watching till last.